Hey Nate, what are you doing, baby? Yeah? Is that yum yum? What do you see over there? Can you show me how you say milk? Can you show me with your hand? That's a nice foot. Can you show me with your hand how you say milk? Like that? Is that how you say it with your feet? How do you say more? Uh-oh, you too? What are all these feet doing on the table? Can you say mine?
Mine.
That's it, like the song?
Yeah. And the Lorex.
Yeah. Hey Nate, can you say milk? Don't throw those, please. I said don't. I know, that's hysterical. Oh no. Feet up. Lounging. What are you eating? But you already had your dinner, right? This is like your dessert? Banana? Where are you going, Nate? You want to do what?
Yeah.
Are you all done? You want what? Are you all done eating?